Chapter 16 Kolkata. You will learn location and climate of Kolkata, culture, food, clothes and festivals, tourist attractions and industries, transport system of Kolkata. Let's begin. Children, do you know that a great social worker, Mother Teresa, also lived in Kolkata and served the poor and sick people? Yes, teacher, please tell more about her. Mother Teresa founded the Missionaries of Charity to help people in great need. In 1979, she was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for her work. Teacher's note. Start the chapter with a brief introduction of Kolkata and its adjoining cities, location, famous food, and places to visit. Situated on the east bank of River Hooghly on the coast of Bay of Bengal, Kolkata, formerly Calcutta, is the capital of the state of West Bengal. It was the capital of British India till 1911. After that, the Britishers shifted their capital to Delhi. Kolkata, the second largest city of India, is an important cultural, educational and commercial center of East and Northeast India. Port of Kolkata is the oldest operating port of India. Government. The governor, chief minister and state ministers stay in the city where most of the important state government offices are located. The state government of West Bengal works from the Writers' Building. The city is also home to Mother's House, the headquarters of the Missionaries of Charity founded by Mother Teresa, whose tomb is on the site. Climate. The climate of the city is moderate with neither summers too hot nor winters too cold. Monsoon months from June to September experience heavy rainfall and are very humid and warm. The city is known as the cultural capital of India because many famous artists, Nobel Prize winners, writers and leaders hail from Kolkata. It has been home to famous Indians like Rabindranath Tagore, Satyajit Ray, C.V. Raman, Amartya Sen and Mother Teresa, whose contributions to our culture and country will always be remembered with fondness. It is also fondly called the City of Joy. Language. The main languages spoken in this city are Bengali, Hindi and English, with Bengali or Bangla being the local language of the place. Rabindra Sangeet, Rabindra Nitya, Natya and Nazrul Geeti are integral part of the people of Kolkata. Singing, dancing and painting are a part of the culture and children are encouraged to learn these art forms from a very young age. Fact frame. Rabindranath Tagore was the first Asian to be awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. He is the great poet who wrote our national anthem. Clothes and food. Traditional attire for women is the sari made of cotton or silk. Bengali style of plaiting and wrapping a sari is quite distinct. Traditional attire for men is dhoti paired with a silk or cotton kurta. Nowadays, both men and women wear western dresses also. Famous traditional sweet dishes are Rasgulla, Sandesh and Misti Doi, sweet curd. Rice and fish curry, bhat or macher jhol in Bengali, is the staple food of the people of Bengal. Luchi, a type of Bengali puri, alur torkari, potato curry, is also a traditional food of the region. Shukro, a Bengali vegetarian recipe consisting of a variety of vegetables having partly sweet and partly bitter taste, is a speciality of the region. Places of tourist attraction. The rich history and ancient culture of Kolkata attracts tourists from all over the world. The National Library in Kolkata is the biggest library in India. Victoria Memorial, Mother's House, Tagore's House, Jora Sako Thakur Bari, Marble Palace, Fort Williams, Rabindra Sarovar, Dhakuria Lake, Aquatica Nico Park, Alipur Zoo, Birla Planetarium, Science City, Botanical Garden, Vidyasagar Setu and Rabindra Setu, formerly Howrah Bridge, are some places of tourist attraction. Some places of religious attraction in Kolkata are Dakshineshwar Kali Temple, Kali Ghat Kali Temple, Sri Paul's Cathedral, Birla Mandir, Nakhoda Mosque and Belur Math. Mostly, all the festivals are celebrated in the city, but the most important festivals are Durga Puja and Kali Puja. Durga Puja is celebrated on a large scale with great pomp and gaiety. It celebrates the victory of Ma Durga over the demon Mahisasura. It coincides with the celebration of Dashehra of North India. Kali Puja is another important festival when people worship goddess Kali. It coincides with Diwali. Some other festivals are Saraswati Puja, Lakshmi Puja, etc. Industries. There are many important industries in Kolkata. Steel, heavy engineering, mining, cement, medicine, chemicals, textile and jute are some of them. Fact frame. Victoria Memorial is a huge white marble structure and the most enduring of the remains of the British Raj in India. Transport. The transport system of Kolkata is a mix of modern fast transport like metro and the old transport modalities like the hand-pulled rickshaws. Kolkata is connected to the rest of India by the national highways, the extensive network of the Indian Railways and also by air. The two railway stations are Sealdah and Howrah. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport is both a domestic and an international airport. Kolkata Metro is India's and South Asia's first metro railway service. Trams and double-deckers buses can be seen running on the roads of Kolkata. Trams in Kolkata are the only operating tram network in India. Football and cricket are the most popular sports in Kolkata. India's oldest cricket stadium is the Eden Gardens of Kolkata. It is the second largest stadium in the world, just after the cricket ground at Melbourne. This stadium is often termed as the Lords of Asia. Some other stadiums are Salt Lake Stadium, Netaji Indoor Stadium, etc. Recall: Kolkata is the capital of the state of West Bengal. It is situated on the east bank of the river Hooghly. The staple food of people of Kolkata are rice and fish. Kolkata is an important industrial center. There are various tourist attractions in Kolkata. The transport system in Kolkata includes buses, trains, metros and airport to connect the city to other cities and countries. A. Take the correct